Do you want to understand real English conversations? Not textbook English. Real, simple, everyday English. Today, let's listen to a conversation between a mom and her child. Simple words. Slow speech. Perfect for you. Let's begin. This is a normal conversation. It happens every day in many homes. Listen carefully. Try to understand the meaning. After each conversation, we will review some useful phrases. Ready? Let's listen. A child comes home from school. Hi, honey. How was school today?
It was good, Mom. I made a new friend.
That's wonderful. What's their name?
His name is Leo. We played together at lunch.
I'm so happy for you. Are you hungry?
Yes. Can I have a snack?
Sure. Do you want an apple or crackers?
Crackers, please.
Okay. After your snack, let's do your homework together.
Okay, Mom. Can you help me with math?
Of course. I will help you. You are doing great. Let's look at two useful phrases. How was school today? Parents often ask this question. Can I have? A simple, polite way to ask for something. Easy to remember. Easy to use. It's nighttime. Time for bed. It's time for bed now.
Can I read one more story?
Okay, just one more story.
Thank you, Mom. I love this book.
I love it too. Are you sleepy?
A little bit.
Okay, close your eyes. Good night, sweetheart.
Good night, Mom. I love you.
I love you too. Here are two more useful phrases. It's time for bed. A common phrase at night. Good night, sweetheart. A warm and gentle way to say goodbye before sleep. Let's remember all the phrases together. How was school today? Can I have? Of course. It's time for bed. Good night, sweetheart. Try to use these phrases in your own conversations or practice them out loud. This is how real families talk in English, simple, warm, and clear. You do not need difficult words to have a nice conversation. Practice a little every day. Small conversations build big skills. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.